Hey, what's up? Good afternoon, and I hope you're well. Yeah, so it's gonna be a quick video. We're gonna be looking at converting converting units um, using or defined functions. Sorry. Yeah. So we're gonna set up with meters to fit. So define my function, then m and a, and then that's so meters to fit, and then my answer will be sorry will be equal to a times 3.2808, and then print that answer as well, and then type in my units, which would be fit. Okay, cool. I'll do the opposite, so define then my fit, so a, and so that'll be fit to meters. Then my answer will equal so a divided by 3.2808, so 3.2808. Then print my answer, and I'll put my units there as meters. Right. So just test it. So meters. So 35 meters. Sorry, 35, not 34. Okay. And then my fit. Yeah, 114.828. There we go. I can also put some random number. Let me think. A decimal number. So 37.47475618. Just this is just guessing anyway. There we go. Cool. Right. Then what I need to do is now convert inches to centimeters. So I'll define my function as inches. So that'll be inches to centimeters. And then my answer as well will equal to so a divided by 0.3937. Then print my answer. Do the opposite again, so define my centimeters a. Then that's going to be centimeters to inches. And my answer is equal to so a times 0.3970. 39370. Then print. Okay, cool. So yeah, we're just gonna test it. So I'm just gonna put in my inches. So inches. Yeah, and then centimeters. Let me think. Say about 30 centimeters. Yeah, it's 11.811 inches. Okay, and then what we're gonna do now is also millimeters to inches. So define my millimeters to inches as well. So millimeters to inches, and then my answer as well will equal to so a times 0.039370. Then print my answer as well. Okay, cool. And then we'll do the opposite. So define. So that'll be so inches to millimeters. then my answer is equal to a divided by 0.039370. Then print the answer as well. Typing my units as millimeters. Oh, sorry. Just gonna copy that. Yeah, and then print. Sorry about that. Right. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, cool. So we're gonna just test them out. So millimeters. So 7.874. Okay, there we go. And then my inches. Let me think, 12. Yeah, that would do. Yeah. Okay, cool. Right. And then we're gonna do inches to fit. So define, then capital I. So answer is equal to A times 0.08 33 and then 3. Okay, and then I print. That's my fit there, and I'll do another one as well, define as well. No fit. So fit to inches. Oh, sorry, I've got my hashtag. So fit to inches. And my answer is equal to a divided by 0.083333. Then print answer. My inches as my units. Right. So yeah. So I want to see 10 inches. That's 0.833 feet, and then my feet. So let's say 12 feet. How's that? 144 inches. Okay, cool. And then we'll do the last one. So that's miles to kilometers. So then you define as well. So miles. So that's miles to kilometers. And then my result is equal to a divided by 0.62137. Print result. And then my units are kilometers as well. So yeah. Oh, sorry. I need to make sure. Yeah. And then define as well. So kilometers, A, and that's going to be kilometers to miles. Then my answer is equal to A times 0.62137. Then print result. So print my answer. And then my units are miles. Right. So 25 miles is 40 kilometers, 40.23 kilometers, and then 50 kilometers for 31.0685 miles. Yeah, cool. So it's just creating your functions to do unit conversions. Yeah. So hopefully you find this very useful. And if you do like what you see, please do subscribe and have a good day. So cool, guys. Thanks for watching. Okay. Exit.